In this video, we are going to see chapter number 12, class 3 EVS, work we do. See the picture. Now, here you can find one post office, here one tea stall, here you can see the construction work is going on, here you can find a traffic policeman, and here some are sitting and they are taking tea. Here under the tree you can find one person is sitting near the chair. So different people do different type of work. Like other days, Balbir reached the tea stall after his breakfast. His brother Sadvinder, who had come from the village, was also with him. So in this picture you can find Balbir and his brother Sadvinder. Both are sitting near the tea stall. The worker at the tea stall gave him a cup of tea and said, "Here is today's newspaper." Now hand over the newspaper and he is reading. "How do you spend your whole day sitting here? Don't you get bored?" asked Sadvinder. Here in this picture you can find a woman is sweeping outside the post office. Masons are making a house. Doctor is going to hospital. A woman is going to the post office. Children are going to school. A vendor is selling vegetables. Shopkeepers are waiting for customers. Drivers are driving their vehicles. See next picture. Here you can find school. Children are rushing towards the school. Oh no, one does not realize how the time flies. Look at that group of children. As usual, they are late for school. Everyone is running. The teacher is also late today. Oh, it seems her sandal has broken. She is going to Jakubai to get it repaired. It is good for him. He will get some money today. Now in school you can find the children study. The morning prayer is going on. Children play. Monthly and yearly examination is to be conducted. Dancing and singing competition will be conducted. Annual festivals will be conducted. So many activities is going on in the school. Chamba is sitting there with her basket full of flowers. The lady working in the post office buys flowers from her every day. The construction work has started again. The truck is bringing materials. The workers will again be busy the whole day. Look there, the doctor and the nurse are entering the hospital. See Ramulu with his fruit cart. These days he also brings Chinnamma with him. Chinnamma runs around, delivers fruits and collect money. Nanu, the barber, has laid out of his shop, but whom will he shave? Right in the middle of the crossing stands Iqbal Singh. Throughout the day he blows his whistle and keeps shouting, "Move your vehicle from here." Like that he is giving the signal. "Have you not heard me? Take the cart away." Like that he was shouting. Iqbal Singh was shouting. Saying this, Balbir put down his empty cap and walked to a nearby shop. Saying this, Balbir put down his empty cup and walked to a nearby shop. Act out what people would do at a crossing or in a weekly bazaar. Look carefully at the picture and write what work is being done by different people. That you can write it. What kind of work do people in your neighborhood? You can find people work in our neighborhood. Repair cars and scooters. You can find mechanic. Treating patients you can find a doctor. Selling fruits, fruit seller. Cooking food, cook. Selling items in the shop, shopkeeper. Building a home, mason. So in this picture, first page of this lesson, some building have been shown. In the list, put red circle on the names of this building. Also put a green or yellow circle names of those building that are in your neighborhood. Post office, you can find hospital, you can find in this picture, you can find post office, hospital, temple and school. In buildings in my neighborhood or post office may be available, shop, tea stall, government office, gurudwara, mosque, bank and office. Write the names of any 5 buildings and work done in them. Name of the building you can write it here. Work done in that building. For example, here hospital, treatment, then here vaccination. In the picture you saw many people work together to build a new building. School is also one such a place where many people work. Write what work is done in the school. Here you can write what are the work. Are there any children in the picture who do not going to school? What are they doing? Now you see the next one. Deepali is the eldest child in her family. Her father sells vegetables. He leaves her for the mandi very early in the morning. It is a place where the wholesale market. Her mother washes utensils in some houses. She also leaves for work early in the morning. Deepali cooks food for her brothers and sisters. She cleans the house and also washes the utensils. She is very fond of listening to the radio. She listens to songs while she works. After finishing the work at home, she goes to leave her brother and with their father. She then takes her younger sister Suman and Sheila to school. After that, Deepali helps her mother in her work. In the afternoon, she brings her brother, sister to home. In the evening, she plays with the other children in the neighborhood. Her mother comes back home late in the evening only. Deepali helps her mother cook dinner for the family. Her father comes very late at night. At night, Deepali loves to lie in bed and read her sister's school book. She has studied up to class 3 only. 3 years back, when her little brother was born, she had to stay back home to take care of him. She could not study anymore. She feels that reading books helps her to relax. Now she is back to school and goes regularly. What does she do in her own house? Do you also do household work? That you can write it here. If yes, write here. So here given below are some activities. So on the face of the clock, at what time of the day you do them. Wake up in the morning, you can write the time. Go to school, you can mention the time. Return from school, you can write the time. Sit down to study at home. Go to play, sleep at night. This all the time you have to mention here, minute hand and hour hand, that we will see in the video. Which of your family members do household work? What work do they do? Family members, you can write name of the family members, work they do. You can write in the right side. Which of your family members work to earn money? You can write your father's, mother's name and where they are going in the office. You can write it here. Which of your family members do work but do not get money for it? You can mention that one also. Find out from your grandparents what work they did when they were children. Okay, that you can collect this information, you can collect it from your grandparents. these two. Sarama asked her grandmother Nani the same question. Nani replied, when I was a child, I would help my elders to collect firewood, make cow dung, and plaster walls with cow dung. But now we have a stove that works on gobar gas. The floor and the walls of our house are cemented. There is no need for Sarama to do some of the jobs that her grandmother did in her childhood. Now, you had written about the work you do and the work done by your elders in their childhood. Is there a change? Yes, of course, there are many changes take place. Now, we will see who are these people. You can identify tailor, you can find a doctor, postman, newspaper boy, gardener, driver, and electrician. Who are these people? Teacher, plumber, postman, dentist, nurse, computer programmer, chef. Who are these people? They are our helpers. They help us in many different ways. Make our life happy and comfortable. Can you name the helper? Who am I? I am always ready to protect you. I am a policeman. I make your furniture and beautiful wooden toys too. I am a carpenter. I cut your hair and make your look smarter. I am a barber. I work very hard in the field to grow food for you. I am a farmer. I play with fire and save your life. I am a firefighter. I keep watch on your school or street while you sleep. I am a watchman. I clean your surroundings to help you lead a healthy life. I am a sweeper. I even lay down my life to guard our country. I am a soldier. I serve you food in hotel and restaurants. I am a waiter. I care for you in the hospitals. I am a nurse. I treat your sick pets and domestic animals. I am a veterinary doctor. I bring fresh green vegetable for you. I am a greengrocer. I make your toothache disappear or go away. I am a dentist. I make everything colorful and beautiful. I am a painter. Community helpers for making our lives comfortable and safe. Thank you.